Ndewo, keke ime. Taa bụ ụbọchị nke anọ. Yay, nearly there. Ụbọchị nke anọ. Okay? Ụbọchị nke anọ, I'll tell you what we'll do. We just practice what we did on day one. Okay? Because language learning is a marathon. There's no rush. So they're going to hear what they heard on day one. So whichever sentence you choose for day one, whether you chose it for yourself or you use the one in this challenge, you do it again. So for the purposes of this, we use the one we use on day one, and that will be Keba bagede. Akpam deba. Kebe bagede. Your parents, you're asking. Keba bagede. Akpam deba. And you can always switch it up. Your child could be the one asking the question now, and you do the answer. Okay? Keba bagede. Akpam deba. Okay? And remember, if your child already knows this particular sentence, use some other sentences. Okay? That's it for day 4. Okay? Small. Wayo. Wayo BJ. Okay? There's no rush. I on day 5. Okay?